Me love me farming from evening till a morning. Peanut drops we have make, you know. That we say what we have burn the fire.
Peanut, coconut, sugar, ginger, and water.
Simple. That's how we survive. Yeah, narrate, you know. I don't know, you know, this is Cornwall District, Cornwall PO, you know. And this is how we make our famous peanut drops. This one is blended with coconut. Yes. Sometimes we add some ginger, you know. There's the chef. The master recipes. Yeah. And if you want some, you can rope in the Cornwall, you know.
Now put me in it. Put me on same time. Now understand?
See the industry, right now we're at the bagging level. One of my generals right is a garnet too, you know. So different processes, you know. This is the bagging process.
Give me $1,000 for me and something.
See it there.
I already tell him about that already. Yeah, what take you do?
Hands at work.
No give my man the man. You give it to my girl they gone with the peanut, you know. Don't trust. So me I get it. From my girl they gone with the peanut. They must have worried.
They don't want to steal quicker, you understand?
Yeah.
Have to put enough ginger in there.
What a what?
To preserve you.
So ginger help preserve it.
Yeah. Like the cow you carry over now and leave it.
Yeah, man. It's a family of ladies, beautiful ladies. This is a business. Yes, and if you're interested in the roasted peanut, the drops, or farm products, yes. Where they can find you, ladies?
Them can find me at Cornwall, St. Elizabeth.
Yes. Just make the right at Dry Harbour Road off of La Cove, you know. Come up
the hill.
Yeah, man, ask for. Who them for ask for?
Norma, right?
Yeah, alright, just ask for Norma. Once you say when Norma shop, the lady will make the peanut, yeah, with the nice daughters. Everybody will point you up here, see? Cornwall, this is the farm there. Bless up on yourself. More life.